What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new update today on XRP. Wanted to do a full update on that because, well, first of all, I know a lot of you are trading, holding it, and it's quite an interesting crypto at this point of time since we have been quite bullish. And even yesterday after the news of the SEC suing Binance and their CEO, it actually held up very well. I mean, right now, XRP surely is not bullish, but we are not bearish either. We are consolidating. We're holding our levels around 50 cents, and there's actually a chance that we will get some bullish momentum. Also because of the news that the SEC sued Binance, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. It's not 100% true, but it's an interesting thought I had. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. We'll also do a full technical analysis, of course. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. So XRP itself, I'm actually not sure where to start with. There are no updates I think we need to give on the lawsuit itself between the SEC and XRP, and Ripple then. But XRP itself, the interesting thought I had this morning is I was actually thinking about that part of the lawsuit of the SEC against Binance, where they had a list of cryptocurrencies which they deemed were securities, right? There was a small list on CoinDesk. I believe there was a bigger list somewhere else. I'm not sure. Maybe it was sent in the Cilinix Crypto Telegram. But a very big list. I mean, all sorts of cryptos you haven't even heard of. But so yeah, that happened. And then I was thinking, well, what are cryptos I can invest in that have no risk that they are declared securities by the SEC? Well, obviously Bitcoin. Bitcoin is already a big holding of mine. But I think XRP was one of the cryptos that came to my mind. And if it came to my mind to invest in, because there's actually a decent chance that they'll win the lawsuit, it probably came to the minds of other people as well. And if XRP is declared not a security, I know for a fact it's going to be one of the best cryptos to hold. So I think that's actually pretty interesting. And I think the bullish potential has increased because of the lawsuit of the SEC against Binance in the case that they win their lawsuit against the SEC. So if XRP does. But that's more of a long-term thing, I think. On the short term, we are also displaying some bullish momentum by staying on top of 50 cents. But right now, technically, we are stuck in a little bit of in a pickle, because in this level between 51 cents and 50 cents, which is both are strong key levels. So we have a strong resistance and a strong support. So now it's going to be about which one is going to break first. I actually think that it's more likely that we'll get some sort of a bullish breakout. So that we'll break above 51 cents, get up to 52, 52 and a half, find some resistance, take a break retest off of 51 cents, and then we'll see. I mean, I'm not sure if we can get all the way up to 55 cents, but consolidating in this area between like 53 and 50 cents would already, compared to other cryptos, probably be quite bullish. So that's actually what I think the most likely scenario is right now. Bitcoin is also recovering a little bit, not that much, but a little bit. So that's my most likely scenario. In the end, it's better to wait for confirmation. But I know a lot of you like me to say what I think is going to happen. In the end, I mean, I'm not trading XRP, by the way. And if you really want to know what's going to happen, you just have to wait for this level to break. All right. So for us to either break above 51 cents or below 50 cents, because there's also, I would say it's almost 50-50. That will break down below 50 cents, because in the end the lawsuit was very bad news, and then we'll drop down to 47.5 cents. So we'll have to wait for that. Like I said, I think it's a bit more likely to get some bullish momentum, but we'll see. We'll wait for confirmation. I'll be back with more updates soon, but for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.